I'm gonna lose my effing mind if you guys don't understand what traditional math is. This is 9. This is 9. This is 1. This and this are the same questions. This last one, it's an entirely different question. All of this is considered traditional math. Okay? This down here is being changed because of non-traditional math. If you use non-traditional math and you look at these two things and you decide to rewrite it using non-traditional math, you get this. But all of it is still traditional. Okay, get it? So these two questions are the same, but they're different than this question. If you're still somehow missing the point, you solve the question based on how it's written, not how you write it. You're not the person asking the question. Now, I get why you're confused if you're a teacher. You keep thinking of this from your perspective. You're the person writing the question. No, you're not. In this instance, we are the students answering the question, so it matters how it's written.